Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this bonus page for Social Suite. This is a software I've had the chance to test out over the last few days. And if you're looking for a site builder that within a few clicks can create bonus pages, sales pages, opt-in pages, this is a software that allows you to do that. Plus, it allows you within a couple of clicks to add it to Facebook. So you can actually capture more leads through Facebook and use the viral properties of Facebook to get more visitors and more people seeing your products or your services. It's great for clients and it's going to be good for your business as well if you don't yet have a site builder that does what this does. So hop across to my computer. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how this can help you in your business and what it is that you'll get inside of it. Also, go down below for all the details and all of the bonuses that we've packed in for this software.
Okay, so this is Social Suite. Now, when we get in here, you'll see that it's not the most graphically greatest looking software, but it does the job and it does it well. So what we can do is we can first click Create a Campaign, and we're going to go into the Template Creation section. Now, the Template Creation section gives you the ability to preview multiple templates, and also it gives you a range of different templates that you can select from. Opt-in pages, sales pages, shopping carts if you're selling, say, Amazon products, or if you were selling, for example, e-commerce. Then you've got your thank you pages, and you could use, sales pages as bonus pages if you want to, opt-in pages as opt-ins off Facebook or anywhere else like that, and you've got a webinar page here as well. Now, for example, if we were doing an opt-in page is probably something that's quite common. We can choose from a range of different selections here. We can preview what it's going to look like, and when we're ready, we can go and click the plus button. The plus button is going to give us the ability to create a campaign. So let's just say Sam's Campaign is the name to start off with. All right, cool. So we go Sam's Campaign, we go plus, and it's going to set up this campaign for me, which is obviously good. So it's going to load. Now, one of the disadvantages of this, or one of the advantages first off of this, is it's not on WordPress, so it's really fast. The disadvantage, or one of the disadvantages, is that sometimes it does take a little bit of time to load on slow internet connections, but usually it's fine. Now, this is the editing menu. The editing menu gives you the ability to basically go ahead and customize parts of this that you want to customize. So say, for example, if you wanted to adjust the spacing at the top, then you could do that. If you wanted to adjust the text, you could do that. You can add a title. So for example, you could go here, now it's in white text. So I'm just going to highlight this and I'm going to change the font's color. So you can change a lot about the text if you want to. I'm going to put it up black now so I can go ahead and edit it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go discover how to make upwards of $300 a day with this cool website builder. And we could have, opt in to watch a quick to the point video on how to do it. Really easy to add and use. Now, if we wanted to, we could change this color to white, which it was previously in the template, so we can do that. And if we want to, we can even add different animations to it as well. Now we can add the product. If we want to actually add a product in there, or buy buttons, anything like that, checkout buttons, get it now, add to cart, we're able to do that through this system. Now, this is optional. I'm not going to add it into my opt-in today because I don't need it. So then we've got spacing, we've got our text here, so we can add a bit more information about what we're editing. So, would you like to learn how to create effective websites fast? There we go. Would you like to create effective websites fast? We've got a quick flash animation, and then we've got our raw HTML here if we want to edit it. We've got a form there, and we can add spacing, and then we've got autoresponder. Now, this autoresponder section, we obviously want to go ahead and add our autoresponder. This is a form right here. We could add our code in here, and you can set up the different autoresponder codes and integrations up here. Finally, we're ready to go. Now, if you wanted to add more to this, if you wanted to add, say, a countdown timer, you can do it. All right, we can add a countdown timer in here. We can add the name, the date, we can add the hours. All of that is really customizable and usable within the system. If we want to delete anything, we can delete it really quickly. We can add autoresponders, we can add products, different banners, text, headers. All of this can be used. Now, when you're ready to preview your template, click on Preview up here, and you'll be able to see a preview of what this looks like. So then you can go back and you can edit parts of it if you wanted. Now, obviously, I need to add a video. You've got this here. You've got your opt-in. You've got the text that we added. We've got the other text up here, and we've created a really basic looking, opt-in page. If we were ready, we were happy with this, we would go, publish, And you can actually edit from the preview section as well, I should mention. So the preview section you can actually edit from. Then if we want to go publish, we're able to publish. It's successfully published. In this preview section, we can edit any parts of this as we wanted to here as well. So not only can you add details from the section, the planning section that you saw before, but if you wanted to customize any part of this right here, you can do that. Say for example, we want to turn this into a double. We could do that. I'm not sure what that does. Pick up horizontal line double, dotted. We can change our, our headline here to whatever we wanted. If we were to highlight it, we'll just highlight it here, and you'll see the changes reflected on the preview when we click preview. So there's a few options there you can see. We've published this, then the next step after that is finally to install it. We could install it based on our campaign URL. We can install it on Facebook. We can embed it in a web page. We could launch it as a pop-up, so it could be a popover if we wanted to, or we could download the HTML and upload it as well if we wanted to. It also has a bunch of different integrations, which you can see here in this menu. Aweber, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, GoToWebinar, which is a big one, and MailChimp, SendReach, and Infusionsoft. All of these are available. Plus, there's also a downloadable WordPress plugin to make it really easy to add anything that you really want to into here. Cool. Finally, if you wanted to add clients, so if you want to do this for your business owners, they are paying you to do it, you can add in details about the business, and then you can have that client added and they can actually gain access to just their website and make changes, edit it as they wanted to as well. A really cool piece of information. So there you have it. This is exactly what this system will do, Social Suite. So if you like the system, go down below, get access to it. All the special details and the early bird bonuses are down there. For this price, it's an absolute bargain. It'll do what you want if you're looking to create websites within a few minutes, and it'll do it really well. So if you want to pick this up, go down below, get access, and I think you'll really like it, especially if you don't yet have a website builder.